Welcome to Elevate Experience's YouTube channel. I'm Grace and I'm going to share with you 5 tips for planning and hosting a successful Super Bowl party. And guess what? Our team is based here in Atlanta, so we're extra excited for this year's big game. And we've got a fun free resource for you to celebrate. So be sure to stick around for the end for this free gift. All right, are you ready to dive in with 5 key tips for putting on a successful Super Bowl party? Tip number 1, account for the party size. How many people will be attending? Make sure you know how large your group will be. This will let you gauge how big your space needs to be and help you answer questions like, do you have enough seating, or will everyone fit inside your venue? Tip number 2, consider who's attending. Do you have fans from both teams coming to the party? If so, make sure to have decorations, games, and an environment that's fit for both football team fans. You want your guests to feel welcome and excited to be watching the game with you. Tip number 3, plan for all basic needs. Food, drinks, and the football game are expected at any Super Bowl party, so you want to make sure you've got those covered. This might seem simple, but sometimes the most simple or expected logistics are the ones that can get overlooked. Since you know your party size, you can plan for enough food, drinks, plates, and cups to make your guests feel happy. Whether it's at someone's house or you're renting out a space, you want to make sure that there's a way to watch the game. And you want to make sure that everyone is able to see the game. So depending on the size of your group, you may need multiple TVs or one larger screen. All right, now for tip number 4. To really have a successful event, you want to incorporate a special element that will set your viewing party apart from the rest. Whether it's a fun game during commercial breaks, a group poll on the final score, or a lip sync battle during the halftime show, have something that keeps your guests engaged even when the players aren't on the field. If you need ideas for games to play, check out some of our other videos for simple, fun crowd pleasers. And last but not least, my 5th tip for you is to have music handy. Create a fun playlist ahead of time that is appropriate for your environment. If kids will be there, make sure you have kid-friendly music playing. You can get creative and make it a sports-themed playlist, or you can simply fill it with your favorite upbeat songs. Music helps to add excitement to the party, fill any awkward silence, and keep the entire venue full of energy throughout the entire game. Music can go a long way. It can help take any atmosphere to the next level. So there you have it. Those are our 5 tips for planning and hosting a successful Super Bowl party. Now, I mentioned a free gift earlier. Since our team is based in Atlanta, and that's where this year's Super Bowl is being held, we've got a free Atlanta tour guide ready for you. Download this free guide below to see the fun things to do in Atlanta, whether you're coming here for the Super Bowl or planning a vacation in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up below. Also subscribe to our channel for even more event planning tips. From party hosting ideas to games to play with your group, our videos are here to help you take events, parties, and group gatherings to the next level. And lastly, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below to share who your favorite NFL team is and who you're rooting for in this year's big game. All right, I hope you have fun as you plan and host your own Super Bowl party.